up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. This is the first video of 2020. We are rounding out to 400 subscribers. Thank you, everybody. I was gonna do a 500 subscriber special, but frankly, it's taking way too long, so we're gonna cut that at 400 and do a little celebration when we get there. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and tell your friends to subscribe too. You know, support a brother out here, please. So I had plans, right, to go outside and do some filming today, but what happened was we are experiencing a bit of weather issues out there. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, we kind of have a squall hitting us right now. The winds are ridiculous. So the plan that I had is going to be on hold, and what I'm going to do is this one's getting out to my friend Jay. He was kind of asking about where I live because I had invited him down to stay, and I said you can stay in my guest house, you know, and he's wondering, do you have a guest house? Yes, I have a guest house, but it's not really a guest house, it's more of a boat house, you know. But anyway, I thought some other people might be interested to know where I stay because the house is very iconic. Actually, it's very iconic, it's very nice, and I don't earn it, so don't think I'm like Mr. Moneybags around here, but it's a nice house, and a lot of people might be interested in it. So what I'm going to do is take you on a tour outside. The only thing to keep in mind is, like I said, the weather is really shitty right now. The wind's ridiculous, so you might get a kick out of that. But anyway, on with the tour, I guess. So the property starts with this driveway, which is a deep road cut through a hill. Now, I know it looks really cool and picturesque and everything, but it's a giant pain in the ass. Trust me. You won't like these high, narrow walls when you're trying to get like a big car or a truck down here. So my landlord lives on the top floor and I live on the bottom, down these stairs. I'm not gonna record anything on the interior because you guys don't need to see that. We'll keep it to the outside. And this is what I wake up to. Full open view of Hamilton Harbor. In my opinion, it's one of the best views on the island. I love it. And over this way is my neighbor's yard. At one point, he constructed this giant water slide. And he put together an amazing video that you guys should check out. I'll put the link in the description. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're wondering, Omar, did you go down this slide? And the answer is, hell no. I am a giant coward. And I'm more happy to just watch from the sidelines. It was fun to watch those guys taking the jumps, but I would not do that in a million years. So this is one patio / entertainment area. Lots of outdoor seating and a dining area. It mostly gets used in the summer months. If you guys have never been to Bermuda, you don't really want to be outside eating too much during the winter. It's not snow or anything, but it's pretty cool. Now, down this flight of stairs, we go from the upper yard area down to the lower yard, where you see another seating / lounge area, and it's in the shade of this giant seawall. The water in this area is usually really calm, but like I said earlier, today is a super windy day. It's abnormally windy. So it's super choppy right now. I wouldn't go swimming in this right now. It's too risky. But normally, it's really calm. And over here is the boathouse. I'm not going on the dock because my camera is not waterproof and the sea is kicking up right now. So let's just take a quick look inside here. It's small, but it's cozy, right? The bed's nice, it's comfortable, and you can't argue with the location. Like water views, a private dock, it has air conditioning. What more could you want, really? When I have friends come visit, I normally offer them this spot, but the only downside is they need their own transportation because I live in Hamilton, which is the capital of Bermuda, but it's still a 20-30 minute walk into the city. So it's better if they rent a, moped or an electric car or something like that. They can even take the windsurfing board out if they want. Also some kayaks in the back. I don't know if I recorded this though. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of waterside living in Bermuda. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if you liked it, hit that like button and consider subscribing to this channel for more content from your favorite small-time YouTuber. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.